Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI Fiesta application in your smartphone. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. You can create your account with Google. It's really simple and easy. So I already tapped my Gmail, so it's really simple. Only one tap you will find the interface in AI Fiesta. So you can see here, customize your chat AI model preference. So ChatGPT, Gemini and DeepSeek, this is free, and you can see here Perplexity, Anthropic and XAI. So this is a premium version, but still you can use. I just tap here update preference. So that's it. Now you can type anything. It's really easy to use, interface high, and you can select it here like which model you are going to get the app answer. GPT-5, so you can see here different things, and GPT-5 is you can see here, you can tap here. So I just type high. So this is GPT. So you can upgrade your plan, it's a free mode. And if you tap here Gemini, you can see Gemini Plus. Also you can write high, it's for Gemini. And you can also see here upload, unlock. So you can swipe right to get the 3 models. It's free, and it is ChatGPT. Right swipe, you can tap here the 2 other model, you can see. So it's really easy. And if you want to upgrade your account, tap here and upgrade plan. Then you can see here like the feature you can see. So actually this way is really easy to use. You can ask anything like other app.